Hi, welcome to part 8 of the Capsuleland video series on impulse and momentum. The third part of this chapter, which is essential for the Capsuleland tests, was covered in prior videos. In each of the upcoming videos in this series, including this one, we will solve a question. A car of mass m, traveling at a velocity of 20 meters per second east, collides head-on and stick together with a truck of mass 2m, traveling at 20 meters per second west. The two vehicles move together as a unit in a straight line after the collision. Calculate the velocity of the truck car system immediately after the collision. Vehicles before and after the crash are illustrated in the diagrams on the screen. We must remember that each vehicle was traveling on its own before the crash. After the collision, they are traveling together. The equation for the conservation of linear momentum is the first step in the answer to this question. Before and after the collision, the total linear momentum remains same. Let it be stated upfront that we consider heading east as a positive direction. As we previously discussed, since vehicles move independently at first, each one has its own momentum, which can be calculated as the product of an object's mass and velocity. Following the collision, both vehicles move as one unit with a combined mass equal to that of the car and the truck. Mass of the car is m, and its velocity is 20 meters per second. Mass of the truck is 2 times m, and its velocity is 20 meters per second as well, but it is heading west. Following a collision, the mass of the two cars moving together is equal to m plus 2m's. We are asked to calculate their velocity after the collision. Minus 20 times m is equal to 3m times velocity. Velocity of the car-truck system immediately after the collision is negative 6.67 meters per second. The outcome is negative, so we add an extra step to the solution to specify the magnitude of the velocity as 6.67 meters per second and the direction as west. We have begun answering questions on the subject of impulse and momentum in this video. We will continue with another type of question in the upcoming one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications in order to be updated about the new videos.